should've lived a modern life like Rocco. Please don't disturb, swerve strange just like potholes. Had to take it further, I ain't settling for condos. Had the secret sauce, so I blew up like Mondo Burger.
Webisode something, but yeah, at the skate park. Oh, good shit, dude. I was filming. I thought he was gonna eat shit.
Holy shit, right? Oh.
Oh. You bitch! You're a bitch! You're a bitch!
Get speed right here, right here.
I've grown to hate it.
Yeah.
Attaboy.
That was it.
I don't know if it's gonna get more jacked than that. No, it's pretty good.
Should I do that again?
Yeah, you gotta turn it hard. Oh! Oh! Arts.
I want that yoga position.
What am I gonna do? Fuck.
Oh, you're trying to like dip it in.
Keep going!
I'm gonna be honest, it's hard on this ramp. I'm amazed to do it, to be honest. I can do it.
But you gotta think that's kind
Keep
of
going, keep going.
skating vert.
Keep going, just keep going. Do something. Fuck.
Fine, right?
Oh, this he's gonna hit the road. That's nice. Keep going, keep going.
Actually, you know what's the best fall is anything.
Keep going, that counts. Bro. Why'd you
I am so exhausted. I took so long to do a T-box. That guy got in my way. Like, I put it in early already, but the guy, fucking hard guy, got in my way and messed me up. Yo, what? Whoa, dude, your hair's going weird, huh? Oh, shit. I guess I'm gonna take this one. Hey, you don't need that. Hey, you don't need the $20. You have enough at home, right? You think I can keep this?
You're just dirty. You know I'm very like picky about how my money faces.
Yeah, I know.
I'm so picky. Hey, what's up, yo? You like the designer? Designer? Yeah.
Rex on.
No, it's not the same racks, bro. This is like just a few $100. This ain't racks.
Selling scooter parts, right?
Selling scooter parts and
Tell us someday, I was right here.
selling women.
Look at that. It's ISIS. Little pit stop at Rite Aid. I think James can go get some soda or something like that. I don't know. Yeah. Let's go. Probably close to the end of the vlog. Probably nothing else to do. Maybe continue tomorrow when I hang out with my cousin or something. Yeah, a little short video for y'all. Chill day though. I just chilled at home. Didn't do anything. And then rode for a couple minutes with Jacob. And then we got some food. Just a typical day. Memorial Day's tomorrow, so I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. It's probably gonna be lazy. So if there's anything else, I'll film me saying the outro later on. But yeah, I don't think there's anything. Oh my gosh! I thought he was gonna go get something else, but look, he came out with ice cream. Hard guy. That's good. I'm proud of you, Jacob. End of the vlog. We're just gonna chill. We're gonna walk up to this fireworks thing. I'm gonna film a little bit of fireworks for the outro, but yeah, that's it. I'm done. I'm bored. I don't want to kill my phone for the rest of the video.
Peace out, guys. Keep it Gucci.
All right. See you guys.